Hello everybody, I'm Frank. Today I will show you two pieces lace front wig. Let's check now. Phalange wigs. These two wigs, both lace front wig. The forehead part, it is 4.5 inches frontal. Both 14 inches, one straight, and this one it is body wave. Nowadays, few pieces lace front wig in stock. This wig unit, it is color number 99G. And this is natural black. Density 180. We add the hair, the sew part. We sew the hair wave on the back of the head to make it thick. Density 180. Always some customer ask me, what do you have? What do you have in stock? My answer is, we offer customized lace wigs, customized color, and customized styles, curly, wavy, such as body wave, deep wave, water wave, deep curl, kinky curl, afro curl, kinky straight. The factory, the pressure is different from that of trading company. As a trading company, he could have some styles in stock, but at the factory, we can't have each unit in stock. The pressure is different. So how we offer customized lace wigs? This is natural black hair, and we colored the hair based on natural black hair. Also dark brown, like color number 4, color number 2, color number 27, color number 30, all available. Also, if you like blonde, such as 613, we can color the hair, the blonde hair, such as green, blue, red, all things. We offer colorful wigs. And about the density, most lace wigs, black wigs, in stock it is density 130. For lace front wig, we can sew the hair with the back of the head, this part, to make the hair look density, to make the hair look thicker. The forehead part, it is natural hairline, pre-plucking, baby hair around, free part.